Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork meat at home. First, select your desired cut, whether it's a tenderloin, shoulder, or belly, ensuring it's fresh. Next, gather your kitchen essentials. A sharp knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a meat thermometer are crucial. Finally, set up your cooking area, making sure everything is clean and organized for a smooth cooking process. Now let's talk flavor. Season your pork generously with your favorite blend of salt, pepper, herbs, and spices. For an extra boost of tenderness and taste, consider marinating your pork for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. Then choose your cooking method. Roasting in the oven, grilling outdoors, or pan-frying on the stovetop all yield delicious results depending on the cut you're using. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling amazing. You can find the link for Little Trees and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Achieving the perfect doneness is key to delicious pork. Always cook your pork to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a reliable meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the meat, away from any bone, to get an accurate reading. Once cooked, let your pork rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.